Imagine starting from zero and building a $200,000 income from scratch. Sounds impossible, right? Well, today, I'll show you exactly how I did it and how you can too. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Jack, and I cover everything related to personal finance, building income streams, and achieving financial freedom. If that sounds like something you're interested in, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Now, let's dive right into the first step I took to go from zero to $200,000, my starting point. Ground zero. When I first started, I had no financial safety net. I was broke, stressed, and unsure of where to even begin. What changed everything was realizing that I couldn't just wait for opportunities to come to me, I had to create them myself. Here's the mindset shift that helped me. Instead of focusing on what I didn't have, I started focusing on what I could control: my time, effort, and ability to learn new skills. Action tip. If you're feeling stuck, write down one small change you can make today to start your journey toward financial growth. Step 1. Skill development. My first major breakthrough was investing in myself through skill development. At the time, I didn't have the money for expensive courses or coaching, but I did have access to free resources: YouTube, podcasts, blogs, and even free online courses. I focused on learning high-income skills that are in demand, such as digital marketing, think SEO, social media marketing, and paid ads, freelancing skills, graphic design, writing, or video editing, coding and tech-related skills, communication and sales skills. I also committed to daily practice. Every day, I spent at least an hour learning and improving my craft. Pro tip. Free resources like Coursera, YouTube, and Udemy's discounted sales can be a goldmine for skill building. Start by learning one skill and master it before moving on to another. Step 2. Generating multiple income streams. Once I had marketable skills, I knew I couldn't just rely on one job or one income stream. Multiple income streams are the foundation of financial success. Here's how I started diversifying my income. Examples. 1. Freelancing. I began by offering services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. My first few gigs didn't pay much, but I gained experience and built my portfolio. 2. Affiliate marketing. I recommended tools and services I genuinely used, earning a small commission for every sale. 3. Digital products. I created simple ebooks and guides to sell online. Once these were made, they became passive income. 4. Investments. I reinvested my income into index funds and dividend-paying stocks, creating a long-term source of passive income. Tip. Think about what you're already good at and brainstorm ways to monetize it. Start small and gradually add new income streams as you grow. Step 3. Building a brand. Building a brand around your skills or business is essential for long-term success. Whether it's on social media, a personal website, or a portfolio, showcasing your expertise builds trust and attracts clients or customers. Steps to build a brand. 1. Create content. Sharing valuable content consistently helped me establish authority. I posted tips, case studies, and real results on social media. 2. Networking. I also reached out to others in my niche to collaborate and share insights. 3. Social proof. I asked happy clients for reviews and displayed them on my profiles to build credibility. Tip. You don't need to be an influencer, just focus on being helpful and authentic. Over time, your audience will grow, and so will your opportunities. My big breakthrough came when I landed a major client for a long-term project. This deal alone boosted my monthly income and gave me the confidence to scale further. Emphasize how persistence and consistency were critical leading up to the breakthrough. Share how you reinvested profits into marketing, skill development, or automation to keep growing. Scaling to $200,000 wasn't just about working harder, it was about working smarter. Here are the strategies that helped me scale. 1. Automation. I use tools and software to handle repetitive tasks. 2. Delegation. I outsourced tasks I wasn't great at, freeing up my time for high-income activities. 3. Optimization. I doubled down on what worked and stopped wasting time on strategies that didn't deliver results. 7. Key lessons learned. Here are the biggest lessons I learned on my journey. 1. Never stop learning and adapting. 2. Diversify your income streams. 3. Focus on providing value. not just making money. 4. Stay consistent. Success comes from showing up every day. If you're serious about building a $200,000 income or even just creating financial freedom for yourself, start small, stay consistent, and trust the process. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. See you in the next video. Check out these videos for more tips on building wealth and growing your income.